Hello.
Hello.
Would you like some salmon teriyaki salad?
This is salmon.
This is salmon, that's pork belly.
Oh, I like salmon.
Okay, please go ahead. If you just drop your token in the box there. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
I'm really production line. I'm serving just as fast as they are putting the token into the box. It's like becoming automatic more like, yeah, thank you, thank you.
We're having the salmon from the red team, and as far as I know, it's brilliant.
I took this food from the red team. It's a pork belly with rice. I would prefer it if it's really sliced a lot thinner. Yeah, this one, it's a little bit too chunky for my liking.
Well, this is Japanese, the red team.
Okay.
So, Audra, you're having the pork and I'm having the salmon.
You know, color-wise, it looks quite pretty. I like the look of that, you know, with all those crunchy bits on the top. I know you're going to get lots of texture in there.
Well, let's taste it.
Let's try it. Oh, this pork. It's not easy to cut through.
The salmon is very moist. I really love the texture. It's not overcooked.
I'm still trying to chew my pork.
That creme fraiche and cream cheese with wasabi actually
Quite like
tastes
it?
quite nice, yeah.
I'm gonna try some of
because
that.
the root of the wasabi really helps to break down the fatness of the fish.
My opinion on the pork, it definitely needs a longer time in the oven. It's not that tender. It's really actually quite chewy. We did warn her about the pork. She could have done a better job with the pork.
Hi, what would you like? I have pork balls and I have beef.
45 minutes into service, our noodles are all out. We have to change our game plan. We don't want to lose votes just because we've run out of salad.
So we decide to sell just the meatballs and the steak. I'm sorry, we only have meat left. Would that be okay? Yeah. And somehow that seems to be even more popular because people just love to eat meat.
I must compliment you. It's really very good.
Thank you so much. It's selling like hotcakes.
Guys, you only have 5 minutes to go. Get those tokens out. Get those customers in. Come on, guys.
Come on,
One
guys.
token for all dishes. One token for all dishes.
Right there, inside the box. Thank you so much.
Where we saw ourselves as underdogs in this particular challenge today, I like to think that we've really come through and we're starting to threaten the other two teams.
Guys, your last 10 seconds to get that food out. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Well done. Yeah!
I feel good. I think even if we go home, we can be proud of what we did, and that's all that matters.
I'm very proud of my team. I think everyone did a great job.
I think we got through a lot of orders, so I'm feeling pretty confident.
Stay or go, we're happy with this food. That's the most important point. Yeah? Happy?
Yeah, happy.
Today, we set you guys a colossal challenge. You had to run your own food cart at Changi Airport. The winning team was the one that earned the most tokens from this dinner crowd. The losing team will be scrutinized, and one person from that team will be going home tonight. I can tell you that the winning team got 132 votes tonight.
I'm hoping that it's the green team. We put so much into this challenge, we put so much into the cook and to the service that I know that we deserve that win.
And the losing team, 95.
I'm hoping that we're not on the bottom. And it could be anybody's game at this point of time.
The winning team is the blue team.
Oh my God. I go, oh, blue team wins. And then I look down, oh God, I am the blue team.
After all the setbacks, after throwing away all our noodles, we still prevailed, and I'm so happy to be able to share that with Marcus and JASBIR.
Congratulations, guys. People actually loved your food. It was tasty, it was refreshing, and you know, something that's so brilliant to eat just before you're about to get on a flight.
We just need to look into the beef. So next time, please take my advice because I do like to share that experience with you.
Yes, Chef.
So you guys are all saved from elimination.
Thank you.
Well done.
Yes! It's a big relief. It's all smiles from the three of us.